Hi there, I'm Krista with WTI. If your household is anything like mine, everyone loves gathering around the kitchen island. Why not give your family and guests the most comfortable seat possible with the KAIRUITUCH 24-inch beautiful bar stool set? With about 3 inches of dense padding and a soft material on the seat, these stools are super comfortable to sit on. And the footrest is placed just at the right height to give your legs that little extra bit of support as you use them. Design-wise, the stools strike that perfect balance between modern and traditional. The simple matte black frame and tufted cushion pattern really fit in perfectly with our kitchen aesthetic. I've really been loving how easy this set is to maintain. The faux leather material is just a quick wipe away from looking brand new after any use. The frame is made of metal, but it is really lightweight and easy for me to move around. And I think it's a nice touch that they have adjustable feet so that not only will the stool stay stable if it's on an unlevel floor, it also is a guard to protect against any scratches or damage on our floor surface. The assembly of the stools was very easy to follow. The instructions were clear, the parts were clearly labeled, and best of all of the pre-drilled holes lined up perfectly. These KAIRUITUCH bar stools are beautiful, practical, and super comfortable. These qualities make them the perfect seating choice for any kitchen island or bar, and that's my point of view.